Most important thing in my opinion, which is the weight rating. Different types of surf fishing are going to require different weights of bait. If you're going to be casting small baits such as shrimp, fish bites, small cut bait, then you can use a rod from the 2 to 6 ounce area. If you're going to be using a rod to cast big baits, I would look at anything over 6 ounces up to 16 ounces. Now, the length, this is another important aspect. When I surf fish, I don't use anything under 9 foot unless I'm fishing small lures or soft plastics. A 9-foot rod is great for small baits, but if you're going to be casting big baits, I would suggest a 12-foot rod and over. Number 9. Find the sweet spot. All rods aren't created equal. Every rod has its sweet spot. If you underload a rod, the rod will not have enough spring action in the parabolic bend to fling a bait way out into the horizon. But if you overload it, the rod will be overwhelmed with the possibility of snapping. What I suggest is to load the median of what the rod is rated. If the rod is rated 4 to 8 ounces, then I'll load 6 ounces and bait.
That went in! Dude, did that go in?
Number 8. Don't overcast. Casting hard is